Want to make passive income online without creating your own product or dealing with customer service? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll break down what it is, how it works, and how you can start earning commissions, even as a complete beginner. So why is affiliate marketing perfect for beginners? For one, it's low cost to start. No inventory, no shipping, no dealing with customers. You can work from anywhere at any time and scale it as you grow. Plus, it's a great intro to the world of digital marketing. You'll learn SEO, email marketing, content strategy, and more along the way. The first step? Pick a niche. This should be something you're interested in but also has strong earning potential. Go specific if you can. Instead of just fitness, try home workouts for moms. Niche down, and you'll build trust faster with your audience, because you'll know exactly who you're talking to. Next, sign up for affiliate programs. These are networks or individual companies that give you links to promote, like ShareASale, CJ, Amazon, ClickBank, and Impact. Look for good commission rates, trusted brands, and long cookie durations, so you have a better chance to earn. Also, recurring commissions are gold. Think software, memberships, or online tools. Once you've got your links, it's time to create content that actually gets clicks and conversions. Be helpful, focus on solving problems. For example, instead of buy this hosting, try how I launched my website in 1 hour with this host. Trust builds clicks and clicks build commissions. Good content is great, but it needs eyes on it. Let's talk traffic. Use SEO to get Google traffic. Share your posts on social media. Build an email list to keep people coming back. You can even use YouTube, just include your affiliate link in the description. Now don't forget to check your numbers. See what's working and what isn't. Double down on the content that converts. Try different titles, thumbnails, and CTAs. Even small changes can lead to big improvements. Think of it like tuning up your engine. Affiliate marketing takes time, but it works, if you stick with it. Be consistent, focus on helping people, and always test new strategies. Over time, your traffic grows, your authority builds, and so does your income. Ready to start your affiliate marketing journey? Hit that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, we reply to everyone.